Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can create a paper clip in Freecad. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. I will open Freecad. I will go to the part design, create body, and create new sketch. I will choose XY plane. Okay. Now I will take a line tool and will create a line of 5 mm. I will zoom it. From the top point, I will make another line and the length of the line will be 1.5 mm. 5 mm. Now I will take another line and the height of the line will be 3 mm. From bottom point, I will make another line. I will set the length of this line 1.25. Again, I will select line tool. I will make a line tool, and the height of this line must be 4 mm. From top point, we will make another line. The width of this line will be 1 mm. Another line, and the height of this line must be 2 mm. Now I will remove these lines, this one, and this one. Now I will select endpoint R tool and this one, and make an arc 1.5 mm diameter. Again I will select arc tool and will click on this point and this point. I will select another arc tool. Now the basic profile has been completed. We'll close it. Now I will create another sketch, create new sketch on XZ plane. I will create a circle. Diameter of the circle 0.25. Close. Now I will select this circle and click on Additive Pipe. Then I will select edge, add edge, this one, again add edge, click on this one, add edge, on this one, add edge, click on this one, add edge, add edge. Now in this way, paper clip has been created. This is the easiest way to create a paper clip and understand the concept of additive pipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.